Hey everyone, we're excited to have Ian from Chord Company here to go through some of their products, all of which are available from us.
Hi, I'm Ian from the Chord Company, down here with the guys at Riverside HiFi. Going to be going through some of our ranges of cables with you today. We design and build a lot of our cables in our UK factory down at Amesbury. Some of these ranges include network streaming cables, designed to improve your music streaming performance. We also have an array of USB cables, USB-C, USB-A, and different combinations of. From our C-series range upwards, we can offer a great solution for those who are into their digital streaming to enhance the musical performance. On from there, we also have our range of digital coaxial cables, which we offer from our C-series all the way up to our signature range. These ones in particular from the Clearway range are designed and hand-built in our factory in Amesbury. And lastly, one of the popular connections is also the XLR. Great for mid to high-end solutions, fantastic for getting the best out of your fully balanced hi-fi setup. We've got here in front of us 6 of our analog ranges to show you, from our Leyline series all the way up to the Signature X tuned array range. I'm going to go through with you what the differences are between all these cables, but ultimately for us it's all about improving the music performance and improving your hi-fi setup that you've got at home. So the Leyline comes in a variety of different lengths, all the way from 0.5 meter all the way up to 3. Similar with the C series. But when we go from the Clearway range upwards, we can custom build lengths to anything that you need. The key differences between Leyline and the C series are the molded plugs and also the improvements in the actual core cable conductors itself. When we jump up to the Clearway, this is now the Clearway X. With the Clearway X, we get improvements in our RCA plugs. So here we have the V3 plugs. You'll also notice that the actual pins and the inner part of the RCA plugs are slightly shinier than we've seen on the C series. This is because they're plated with our core alloy plating. This improves quite a bit with the audio performance, but also ensures that the plugs won't tarnish over time as well. One of the words that I used at the start is also our X kind of product names, which you see from Clearway up through the ranges. So the X stands for XLPE. So that's the screen, if you like, that's around the actual metalwork inside the cable. And lastly, we've got the array. The array technology is unique to us. The array is at the non-source end, designed to remove noise from the audio circuit to improve our listening and music performance. When we go up from Clearway X, we then have our Shoreline X. One of my favourite cables, I think because it's in a red braid. I do like things that are coloured in red. It's my personal favourite of mine. So we still use the V3 plugs. We have the core alloy plating. We still have the array technology in here. The key difference here is that we have silver conductors, giving us, some people say, better resolution, more detail, and ultimately better performance out of our audio system. And that really sets the performance difference apart to the copper cables that we've been playing with recently. Jumping up from the Shoreline, we have the Epic X. Straight away, when you get hands-on with this product, you can feel it's a little bit stiffer in hand, it's a little bit more kind of rigid. It's all fine, you can still move it, it's still flexible to put behind a hi-fi system. But here we've made 2 key benefits to this product. One, the conductors in the Epic X are quite a bit thicker. Many people find it gives better weight, more energy to the system. Along with the actual array in here, the array has a better screen. So it's a much more effective way of removing noise away from the audio circuit. We then jump up to the Signature X tuned array. So quite a bit going on in this cable. The first thing that's the visual side that most people pick up on are the PTFE plugs. Still uses the core alloy plating on the pins and the internals of the RCA, but also some of the key differences here is that the array technology is tuned to the length of the cable. The conductors are much higher quality again, with improvements in their shielding, with a foil and also a braid across all the conductors. Then they're twisted and then wrapped in the acoustic braids. Hopefully this video has helped you understand why you should invest in better quality Chord Company cables, whether it be a HiFi system or an audiovisual system. Once you've invested a lot of time and money in your audiovisual or HiFi system, don't let it down by not using the right connections to get the best performance when you get the system back at home. Our award-winning British designed products will do that for you. All of the range is available at Riverside HiFi, from our ley line all the way up to signature. This includes the analog interconnects, speaker cables, power cables, and also our power products. Come and have a chat to the guys down here at Riverside HiFi, who will be happy to sit down with you to discuss your HiFi and AV needs to ensure that when you get that system back at home, it's going to perform to the best of its ability.